Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Crystal, and today, as you can see from the title, I am unboxing my brand new Dyson Corrale cordless flat iron. This flat iron, I've always wanted it. It's been on my wish list for a while now at Best Buy, and I was finally able to get it with 20% off due to a special that they were running this past week. So I hurry up and grabbed it while I could. But if you are interested to see exactly if I plan on returning this or if I really enjoyed it, make sure that you stay tuned to the end to see the final results and to hear my final thoughts on if I will be keeping this device or returning it back to Best Buy. Stay tuned. All right, so as y'all can see, the packaging on this device was right up my alley. It was so pretty. The velvet pouch that it comes in with the tie. I loved everything about the packaging. And then the color of the device is kind of like that golden orange type copper color. Very nice. It comes in this particular bag for you. And the only thing that you need to do when you're actually taking this out of the box is actually get it plugged up to the charger, let it charge for a couple of hours so that it's at a full 100% charge. And you also have to take out this little cap right here, which takes it off of airplane mode and switch it around to where you can actually use it in home mode. That was very easy to do. So those are the only two real things that you really need to do to set this up and use it. So this is the base that it comes with. It is kind of like a magnetic type base. So as soon as you sit the device on there, as you see, the indicator comes on showing you that it's currently charging. And then after a few seconds, it does go black to where it's just kind of like in a standby mode and you have your orange dot there. All right, I'm finally getting around to using my Color Wow. I bought this when I was natural and just never got around to using it, but I'm gonna try it today. I am gonna go ahead and spray this on my hair, and I'm gonna do it by the instructions. So it does say to make this your first base and to spray it liberally and then comb through. So you'll see me doing that. This product goes for $28 on Sephora's website. So you can definitely check it out there if you've been kind of eyeing it and are interested in how it works. But it's supposed to kind of be like water resistant, or it will make your hair water resistant or humidity resistant if you live in areas that have high humidity rates or, you know, rain a lot, things of that nature. I did use my It's a 10 leave-in spray directly after this just to give my hair some extra protection, as I didn't want this to be the only product I used. And then you'll also see that I use some heat protectant as I was blow drying my hair with the Dyson Airwrap. And then we will be demoing the main feature of this video, which is that Dyson Corrale straightener. So make sure you stay tuned. Let's check back in a little bit, but let's go ahead and get to detangling and styling my hair. Enjoy. let me add how good my hair felt. My hair felt so good today. I did my aloe vera pre-poo treatment that I did in my last video. I'll put that up top if you missed it. And my hair just feels amazing. It's so soft. It could be because I have a fresh relaxer. I don't know. But I am really feeling myself today and how healthy my hair looks and my hair feels. So your girl is getting some length. You see, I was shorter the last time y'all saw me when I had my sew in. I've gained about 1.5 inches since I got my relaxer, and I'm just super excited. I'm headed in the right direction. So stay tuned. All right, here's the power button right here. You have to press that to get the device to come on, and then you have your plus and minus buttons up at the top, and that's how you actually get to the temperature that you want to be at. Now, with the Dyson Corrale, I don't know if y'all knew this, but it supposedly regulates temperature 100 times a second. That's a lot of times. So it's definitely an intelligent heat controlling type of system that's supposed to be healthier for your hair. So we'll see how this actually, feels coming down the strands of my hair. We'll check in once I finish this up, and I'll give you my final thoughts on if this is really worth all the money that it costs, or if you should just save your coins and go with the chi that I had in my previous video. You'll notice that I actually ended up changing the temperature to the highest temp because I didn't think that it was hot enough for my hair. So I went up to the highest one that I could use, which I think was 410 in this particular instance. Now with this Dyson, it gives you 30 minutes of cord-free styling, and it does take 70 minutes to fully charge again. So just some information there that you may want to know. So y'all, I can't give a verdict right away. I love the cordless design of this particular flat iron. I really do. It's very lightweight, but I feel like it was getting kind of caught up on my ends and kind of snagging them. And I don't know if that was just user error or what, but I'm gonna give it another try, maybe in a week or two, and see, if I am still thinking about taking it back, because if so, I'm going to take it back to the store because it was quite pricey. And if I'm not 100% happy with it, there's no point in me keeping it because I'm just fine with my cheap flat iron that I have. But it did give me some really pretty results. My hair was shiny, and it was lightweight. I have a lot of bounce to it, and it came out really pretty. But again, we're gonna try this out again before we just say that we're gonna keep it and we're in love with it. But I appreciate you all for watching. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to support me. And if you are enjoying this content, I'll see you later. Bye.